TCU map. So, you know, this thing, the response is just insane. I don't think this car has ever given me wheel spin in third gear or in second to third gear, and because the TCU is no longer cutting any power, cutting any torque limits, so I'm actually getting wheel spin from a second to third gear change, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. Which just shows how much the car's OEM map and even the Stage 2 Plus map was working with the TCU torque limits. So they need a bit of a clean road. It's actually a wrong time to be out. So slow down a bit. Look into a proper second to third shift. Okay, second gear. Oh, see? The gear shifting is so much faster, and since there is no torque limit intervention, I'm spinning my wheels. Even with the VAQ set to the strongest setting. VAQ is basically the trick electronic differential that this car has, which is really useful for, you know, at least putting the power down. Even with that on the strongest setting, it's still spinning its wheels, which is very fun. It makes this car feel a lot more lively than it was. Even though the power may not have gone up, I'm definitely able to use more of the power, and the more of that power level has been made accessible to me, which is fantastic, which is absolutely fantastic. And if you have any concerns about the drivability of this map, will this map make the car jerk a little bit more, or will it make it rough, or, you know, move around a bit more? Yes, it will. There is no two ways about it. I have removed all torque limiters. The car is shifting as fast as possible, irrespective of how smooth the shift is. The shifts are still very smooth, but you can feel it. It's nice. Unless you're like driving like right now. Like let's see, you know, just go down to third gear, right? Third gear, I'm rolling. I'm cruising speed. I can't feel the shifts. But if I accelerate hard, if I put in more pedal pressure, then yes, you can feel the shift. And it's nice. I like the feeling. I think the same. Yeah. That's how responsive it is. And there was an S mode. In M mode, it gets even more responsive. Camera here.